Some societies are really, really intelligent societies. Some societies are not intelligent at all. So idiotic. So we have to look ourselves, what kind of society I am living in. Am I living in an intelligent society or an idiotic society? This question we have to raise for ourselves. Monica asked before we started for this meeting, what is satsang? She asked me. You say you are going to have a satsang. What is that satsang? Monica?
Yes.
Satsang means a place of intelligence, a group of people having the intelligence. That's what satsang is all about. There is no place for an idiot. So, if you live in a society which is in lack of intelligence, you will get the teaching also from all the directions, idiotic teachings. If as an individual is not intelligent enough, that individual will also become idiot. This is a danger. Now we understand why Socrates in Athens was poisoned. Hope you understand. I was there when I was in Greece a few years before. I'm going after Malmo, I'm going to Athens. I went to the place where he was giving lectures and where he was jailed and poisoned and all these things. You know the story, isn't it? He was poisoned. Why he was poisoned? What crime he did? He never killed anyone. He never looted somebody's money, as I understand. He never did any crime. He was given poison. He was given poison and he was forced to consume it, to die. Understand? Why Jesus was crucified? What crime he did? Why Buddha was sent out from his own country? Why? A person who is completely free from any dependency for happiness is such a danger to the society. That is a fear. Such a threat. Not only to the country, is such a fear for the same family. In which that kind of person living, the co-family members are afraid of or jealous of. Because the people around, 100 people or 200 people around that this kind of person They are completely depending on somebody or someone or some place or something for happiness. Suddenly one fellow is emerging as a independent, happy person. There may be a jealous. You know what jealous? For the dependent happiness people, they have to do 1001 things. They are tired. 24 hours is not enough for them to work because they are completely depending on something or somebody for happiness.